You ready?
Ready.
All right. We might as well do a 10 count for this one.
10.
Just also be careful, just in case.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's so tall. I think it's headed for the baseball field. Oh, that was cool. That was like really straight too.
That's my engineering.
Now for the big kahuna?
I think so. What do you think? Shall we?
Yeah. I want to see
Are
it.
you enjoying it?
Yeah.